Skin Barrier 7-Day Challenge Results. Here's my transformation. 7 days can significantly impact the health and appearance of your skin, as demonstrated by the Skin Barrier 7-Day Challenge. Introduction: a week dedicated to nurturing and strengthening the skin barrier. That was the premise behind the Skin Barrier 7-Day Challenge. Here's how it transformed my complexion. The challenge: the Skin Barrier 7-Day Challenge entailed adhering to a strict skincare regimen designed to reinforce the skin's protective barrier, improve hydration levels, and reduce inflammation. The routine included double cleansing, using hyaluronic acid serums, applying moisturizing creams, and incorporating antioxidant-rich products in my daily skincare ritual. Initial condition: dry, sensitive skin. My skin was characteristically dry and sensitive, often causing discomfort and visible flakiness. The challenge presented an opportunity to address these concerns and achieve a healthier, more radiant complexion. Day 1: Double Cleansing and Hydration Boost. Double cleansing with an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based one removed impurities effectively while preserving my skin's moisture balance. The addition of a hyaluronic acid serum to my routine significantly improved my skin's hydration levels, reducing dryness and flakiness. Day 2: Antioxidant protection. Incorporating an antioxidant-rich product into my skincare regimen provided crucial protection against environmental stressors, minimizing inflammation and further enhancing my skin's hydration levels. Day 3: Moisturizing cream for reinforcement. Applying a moisturizing cream with humectants ensured optimal hydration while creating an effective barrier to lock in moisture and prevent transepidermal water loss. Day 4: Soothing ingredients for comfort. Incorporating soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile into my skincare products helped reduce inflammation, further improving the comfort of my sensitive skin. Day 5: Gentle exfoliation for a fresh start. Gentle exfoliation with a chemical exfoliant allowed dead skin cells to slough off, revealing smoother, more radiant skin beneath. Day 6: Balanced diet and hydration for optimal skin health. Maintaining a balanced diet rich in antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and hydrating fruits and vegetables supported the health of my skin from within. Staying adequately hydrated also contributed to improved skin elasticity and overall complexion. Day 7: Maintenance and reflection. On the final day, I continued my modified skincare routine while reflecting on the improvements I'd noticed throughout the challenge: reduced dryness, increased radiance, and a more comfortable, less sensitive skin texture. The transformation: by adhering to the Skin Barrier 7-Day Challenge, I experienced tangible improvements in my complexion. The transformation not only boosted my confidence but also emphasized the importance of consistent skincare practices tailored to individual needs. Conclusion: the Skin Barrier 7-Day Challenge offered a practical and effective means of addressing common skin concerns and achieving a healthier, more radiant complexion. By incorporating the lessons learned from this challenge into daily skincare routines, practitioners can help their clients achieve similar transformations and improved skin health overall.